Hey everyone, we're going to find the sum of the telescoping series. We have 40n divided by 2n minus 1 squared times 2n plus 1 squared. The first thing we're going to do is set this up and do partial fractions. So we can write this as 40n divided by 2n minus 1 squared times 2n plus 1 squared equals a divided by 2n minus 1 squared plus b divided by 2n plus 1 squared. All right, we're going to clear the fractions, and when you do that, you're going to get 40n equals a times 2n plus 1 squared plus b times 2n minus 1 squared. Now let's let n equal negative 1/2, and that's going to give you 4b equals negative 20. Therefore, b equals negative 5. And if we let n equal 1/2, we get 4a equals 20, therefore a equals 5. So now I can rewrite this as the sum n equals 1 to infinity of 5 divided by 2n minus 1 squared minus 5 divided by 2n plus 1 squared. All right, and then we're going to do partial sums. So let me go ahead and do that. I'm going to go ahead and write this again. I'll just write the formula down. 5 divided by 2n minus 1 squared minus 5 divided by 2n plus 1 squared. So if we take our first partial sum, we're going to get 5 minus 5/9. All right, our second partial sum is going to be 5 minus 5/9 plus 5/9 minus 5 divided by 25. And what happens, this is why it's called the telescoping series, these collapse. So that's just going to be 5 minus 5 divided by 25. All right, the next one is the third partial sum. That's going to equal 5 minus 5/9 plus 5/9 minus 5 divided by 25 plus 5 divided by 25 minus 5 divided by 49. Now this equals 5 minus 5 divided by 49. Again, because the telescoping nature, these will cancel and you'll have this left over. So you could say that your sum is, your nth partial sum is 5 minus 5, because all of these have 5s. And then for the denominator, we can write this as 2n plus 1, because these are odd number squareds. So that's how I'm going to write that. Now, so for our limit, or finding the sum is going to equal the limit as n approaches infinity of s sub n, which equals 5. Because when you take the limit of this goes to 0. Because this denominator, as n approaches, gets larger and larger, it's going to be a lot bigger than the numerator, which goes to 0. So this is your limit, or your sum is 5. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.